Hi all, Narendra here. So in this session, let's see how to install IBM MQ on Windows operating system. Yes, I am going to install the latest version of IBM MQ. So if we'll talk about this IBM MQ 9.3 version, which is the latest version, we need to separately install the IBM Explorer and IBM server. IBM MQ server. That means if you'll install the prior to this 9.3, if you'll install any other version like IBM 8 or any older version, we need to install only once, that is IBM server. If you'll install that Explorer, automatically it is coming. That means it is binded with that. Now they have separated it. Let's see what to do. As I told you, first we need to install the IBM server. So you just type like IBM MQ for Windows, something like that you type. Then you go to the first link, which is IBM official link. You hit it. Okay, you click it this. Okay, I will provide you the correct link, means exact links where you can directly download. Okay, so here you need to come and you see they have mentioned IBM MQ downloads. Okay, but we need for Windows. It will come slowly, come down. You see they have mentioned development. In this development section, you click on this Windows. Okay, I will give you the links, no worries. And you see here, if you click okay, you can redirect. Otherwise here there is a continue button, right? You just click this continue button. Okay, now you need to accept these conditions. Okay, so you need to agree. If you put I agree, it will directly download that file. You see it is started downloading 9.3.5 IBM MQ server it is. Okay, so it will take, it's showing 3 hours. Okay, generally it will take around 1 hour. Okay, depending upon your internet speed. So first you need to download this IBM MQ server and install it. Then you can download separately that Explorer, IBM MQ Explorer, and install it. Okay, so it will take, as it will take some 2-3 hours. It will showing, it is showing it may take 1 hour. Okay, so what I did, to make it faster this video, I have already downloaded. Okay, so if you come here, I have already downloaded that zip file. If you come to my C drive and if come to Naren software, here I have already downloaded. This is the zip file. It is downloading now, right? I have already downloaded that. Okay, so I have downloaded and unzipped. It is a zip file actually. Okay, you see this is a zip file, and I have already downloaded and unzipped. Okay, let's see what you will do. You can do the same, download and unzip. Okay, then let me stop this download. Okay, already we have downloaded. Okay, so what we need to do, if you download then extract it, then you go here. You see if you open, you will get two file. One is meta inf and mq server. So open this mq server, come here, there is a launch file and setup file. You will click this setup file. Okay, if you click, it will ask to admin access. It is asking. Okay, so you just approve it. If you are using Windows 10 or more than that, it will ask. Okay, so here you see it is showing. If you see software requirement, here it is showing okay. Okay means you are eligible to do that. Okay, then network configuration. Okay, he is asking, do you need to configure a domain user ID? Okay, for IBM MQ, you say no. Okay, so then IBM MQ installation. Okay, so here you see, if you do here, it will show English. You need to choose English. By default it will take. Then click on launch IBM MQ installer. It'll launch it. Okay, so you see it is trying to install. Okay, this installation also, it will take around 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, you see, then you will accept it. Okay, then click on next. Okay, here it is asking typical, compact and custom. Better to take typical. Okay, so no need to do any custom and all. Better to take typical. Then click on next. It is telling that where it will install all these things, the folder where it will be C program files and all. Better it will be take automatically, the taking program files and all, where will the logs, all this detail automatically it is taking, just install it. Okay, so this installation will take like 5 minutes. Okay, then we'll see. Just I'm pausing the video. So IBM MQ, even though it is traditional, but it is useful. Most of the companies they are using it, so we should know that. So once installation done, that first page you will just click on finish. Then post that it will ask to this IBM MQ wizard. Okay, so sorry, click on next. So here it is asking, are any of the domain controllers in your network running Windows 2000 or later? You say no. Okay, so click on next. Then it is asking to launch the release note, not required to launch now. I just finished. So I will provide you the this link directly. You can click and you can agree, you can download. So then like this you will install. Okay, it will take 5 to 10 minutes. I just pause the video to make it faster. Then one step is done, that is download and installation of this IBM MQ server. Then separately we need to download IBM MQ Explorer. Okay, Explorer, you click, you write like this, Explorer 9.3 download or something like that you write. Then it will redirect the this IBM link. You go to this link. No worries, I will provide you the link. Okay, but if you are watching this video in future, maybe this version will get changed, so you can go through like this. Okay, here you see they have given this downloaded from the standalone Explorer. Okay, you can click here. If you click and it will redirect and it will show you all the versions. In future maybe the versions will be vary, so no problem, you just click on continue. After selecting, here you see it is showing 9.3.5 IBM Explorer for Windows 64 like this. If will come, this is for Linux. So older versions also 9.3.00 for Windows, like this they are giving other versions also. Let's take this latest version. Just click here, then if will continue. Okay, so it will start downloading. Okay, this download also. Oh, this is not stopped. Okay, so this download also it will take some times. Okay, you see here showing 3 hours, but it will take half an hour maybe. So better, already I have downloaded. Okay, I'm stopping this. So if you come here, that is a zip file. Just download it and place wherever you want, then unzip it. I have already did so. IBM MQ Explorer 3.9.3.41. Okay, so you just double click it. You see there is two folder, MQ Explorer and Meta NF. Better you will open it. There is a setup folder, right? You are seeing, right? Exe file, you open it, just click it and it will ask you to the permission. You just provide the admin credential, then it will started, it will start to install. Okay, It will also take some times. Okay. So then once it will installation done, it will show this page. Just click on OK. So you see, then click on next, then accept these conditions, agreement. It is asking where will be your locations. Let it be that program file C drive. Then you click on install. It will start installing. Okay, then click on done. You see, then one installation once done, you can click here. You see MQ Explorer, it is showing, right? Just open it. Okay, don't open like this. If you open directly like this, you will be not able to create this queue manager. Okay, it will show you the error like you don't have privileges or permission to create that. So what you need to do, I am just exit it. Okay, first time it will take, okay, it is open first time, it will take time. So you will open like this. You will just right click here, run as administration. You need to do that. Okay, it will ask to provide the access. Then it will come this page. Okay, it will take 2-3 minutes to load first time. Second time onwards it will be less. Okay, so you see first time it is loading. So this is your IBM MQ Explorer. You can create, you see, you can create a new queue manager. Okay, just click on new. Here what I did, I just right click in this queue managers, new queue manager. You can give any name, queue manager name. I will say MQ1. Okay, then it will take all these parameters. Then you give, okay, MQ1 already there, so I am saying MQ3. Okay, so then click on next. Okay, so then automatically it will take the log file size and all these properties you will learn later. Okay, so then click on next. Then it is asking the listener port. This is the port for this queue manager, 1414. Okay, then you will just click on next and then finish. One new queue manager will be created. Okay, and if you will create one more queue manager, that port, that listener port, you need to change, because for each queue manager listener port will be unique. Okay, so I will teach you later. I will provide you, I will upload some more videos for this session for installation of this latest version of this IBM MQ. So I will provide you the link, you download and install. If any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe this channel to get more such videos. Thank you so much for watching these videos. Bye.